Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we have an exciting topic to dive into, and that's called SaaS web development. In this video we'll explore the world of software as a server applications, commonly known as SaaS. If you've ever wondered how those web-based tools and platforms you use every day are built, you're in the right place. In today's video I'll take you on a journey from concept to creation, breaking down the essential steps and technologies involved in developing SaaS applications. So whether you're a seasoned developer looking to expand your skill set or someone just curious about the magic behind the apps you rely on, this video is for you. But before we dive in, if you enjoy content related to web development, programming and tech, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials and insights. Okay, so let's get started with SaaS web development. So what is SaaS and how is it used in web development? SaaS stands for Software as a Service, and it's a cloud computing model where software applications are provided over the internet on a subscription basis. In SaaS, software vendors host, maintain software, making it accessible to users via a web browser. Users don't need to download or install anything on their local devices, they simply access the software through an internet connection. So here's how SaaS is used in web development. Part of it is application hosting. So SaaS applications are hosted on remote servers, often in the cloud. Web developers build these applications to be accessible through web browsers. This eliminates the need for users to install, manage software on their own computers. SaaS applications are typically designed to be multi-tenant, meaning that they can serve multiple tenants, from a single code base and infrastructure. Each tenant's data is kept separate and secure. SaaS applications can scale easily to accommodate a growing user base. Developers can leverage cloud infrastructure to add more resources as needed, ensuring the application remains responsive and available. Developers can roll out updates and bug fixes to all users simultaneously because the software is centrally located. Users don't need to worry about manually updating the applications. SaaS applications are accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, making them ideal for businesses and individuals who need to work on the go. Responsive design and optimization are common in SaaS web development. SaaS applications are offered on a subscription basis where users pay a recurring fee. So this model provides a predictable revenue stream for developers and allows users to access software without a large upfront cost. SaaS providers typically invest in robust security measures to protect user data, and this includes encryption, access control, and regular security audits. Some SaaS applications offer customization options, allowing users to tailor the software to their specific needs. Web developers may create features that enables the customization. SaaS applications often include built-in analytics and reporting tools, helping users gather insights from their data. And lastly, many SaaS applications are designed for collaboration, allowing multiple users to work together in projects, share data, and communicate with the platform. So in summary, SaaS is a cloud-based software delivery model that has revolutionized how software is accessed, used, and maintained. In web development, SaaS applications are created to provide efficient and accessible solutions to a wide range of users, from businesses to individuals, while offering advantages like scalability, automatic updates, and data security. So let's talk about some of the benefits of using SaaS in web development. Using SaaS in web development offers quite a lot of benefits that can streamline the development process and enhance the functionality and efficiency of websites. Some key benefits include rapid development, and this essentially just means that SaaS solutions often provide pre-built components and features that can be integrated into a website. All of that speeds up the development and reduces the need for custom coding all from scratch. SaaS services are typically subscription-based, so they can be more cost-effective than developing and maintaining custom solutions. This is especially beneficial for smaller businesses with limited budgets. SaaS platforms can easily scale to accommodate changes in website traffic and usage, so whether you have a few users or thousands, the infrastructure can adapt to meet demand. Many SaaS providers prioritize security and compliance, helping to protect sensitive data and reduce the risk of security breaches. This is especially important in website development where data security is a top concern. SaaS provides handlers with software updates and maintenance, ensuring that the website remains up to date and secure without requiring manual intervention from developers. And as mentioned before, websites built on SaaS platforms are accessible from anywhere anywhere with an internet connection, making them convenient for both users and admins. While SaaS solutions provide pre-built functionality, they often allow for customization as well, so that you can really meet specific website requirements. This balances between convenience and flexibility can be advantageous as well. SaaS also provides typically high levels of uptime and reliability, and this ensures that websites built on SaaS platforms are available to users when they need them. SaaS services often comes with APIs and integrations, making it easier to connect with other software and services such as payment gateways, CRM systems, and analytics and tools. SaaS platforms tend to evolve and add new features regularly, and this can help websites stay competitive and adapt to changing user needs without significant development effort. And websites built on SaaS platforms can easily serve a global audience, taking advantage of content delivery networks and other infrastructures to reduce latency for others in various regions. SaaS solutions minimize the need for server and infrastructure maintenance, allowing developers to focus more on improving the website's feature and user experience. And many SaaS platforms offer built-in analytics and reporting tools, simplifying the process of monitoring website performance and user behavior. SaaS providers often offer support and comprehensive documentation, making it easier for developers to troubleshoot issues and implement solutions. And some SaaS providers specialize in compliance with specific regulations, for example GDPR and HIPAA, which can be critical for websites that handle sensitive data. By leveraging all these SaaS solutions in website development, developers can save time, they can reduce costs, and they can ensure that their websites are secure, scalable, and feature-rich. It's really important to choose the right SaaS providers and platforms that align with the specific needs and goals of the website project. So when using SaaS in web development, there are several tools and applications that users can leverage to streamline their development processes, and enhance their collaboration and improve overall efficiency. Some popular tools and categories of applications commonly used in conjunction with SaaS for web development, there's quite a lot. Some of them also include web development platforms. So this includes things like GitHub. GitHub is a widely used platform for version control and collaborative software development. And there's also things like GitLab, which offers Git repository management, continuous integration, and continuous delivery CI/CD pipelines as well. You also have Bitbucket, and this provides Git and Mercurial code repositories along with features like CI and CD. Another application type commonly used in conjunction with SaaS for development are cloud hosting services. And these are things like AWS, so Amazon Web Services. They offer cloud infrastructure and hosting their services. Microsoft Azure, so Microsoft's cloud platform, also provides hosting, database, and various developer tools. And Google's cloud platform, so GCP, has services for hosted storage, machine learning, and more, all of which can be used within your SaaS development. Content management systems are also really popular and work with SaaS as well. These are things like Drupal, which is a really flexible and customizable CMS for a larger and more complex website. Joomla, a CMS known for its user-friendly interface and extensibility, and of course WordPress, which is a popular CMS for building blogs, websites, and web applications. Front-end development tools include React, JavaScript library for building user interfaces, Vue.js, which is a very progressive JavaScript framework for building interactive web interfaces, and Angular as well, so a comprehensive JavaScript framework for building web and mobile applications as well. Some backend development tools include Node.js, so a runtime environment for building server-side applications using JavaScript, Express.js, Ruby on Rails, which is a web application framework for the Ruby programming language. For database management, you can use popular SaaS components like Amazon RDS. So Amazon RDS is a managed relational database by Amazon Web Services. Google Cloud SQL as well is another managed database service, and that's for the Google Cloud Platform. And Microsoft Azure SQL Database is a service for Azure as well. For development and deployment tools, you can use Heroku, a very popular cloud platform service for deploying and managing web applications, Kubernetes, which is an orchestration platform for managing containerized applications, and Docker as well, so a containerization platform for packaging and deploying applications as well. Thanks for joining us in our exploration of SaaS web development today. I hope you found this video insightful and valuable. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated with more web development tips, tutorials, and industry insights, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. And if you're planning your next web development project and need an expert assistance, be sure to visit our website at ProfileTree.com. Our team of experienced developers and designers are ready to help you bring your vision to life. Feel free to leave any comments or questions you have below. We love hearing from our community and we'll do our best to respond to queries. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.